Hey guys, it's just Mac here, and welcome back to another video. And where today we are going to be playing Ultimate Custom Night. So today I just got a brand new computer for Christmas, and I thought let's just make a video on Christmas. And I downloaded a bunch of games, and I will be doing gameplay on that, like Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria Simulator and stuff like that. So yeah, welcome to Ultimate Custom Night. There's so much to do. What do I do? Okay. Toy Bonnie and Toy Chica aren't too bad. Marionette, I don't know if I want to keep him at 20. We'll move him up to 5. I'll do the trash to the gang, apparently. Oh yeah, by the way, this game contains lots of noises, flashing lights, and lots of jump scares. Just to let you know. Fine with you. I'll put up to 20. Who else could there be? Freddles. I don't think I want to make him too hard. Phantom BB. When he appears on your monitor, quickly close it or change the cam to avoid his jump scare. Not that bad. I'll go with it. I don't think I want him at that. I'll put him at 10. Because I don't think I want him a lot. When you see him on your monitor, quickly close it or he will appear in an audio disturbance. Oh, okay. Helpy, when you see him sitting in your office, click on him quickly. Okay. That doesn't sound too bad. Funtime Chica, when she will appear around and tries to distract you. There's no way to. Freddy. He approaches from the left hall. Keep track on him on the monitor. Close it on the left door. Okay. Wait, what's Nightmare Fredbear? Nightmare Fredbear. When he is invisible to the cameras, but you can only see him when he approaches the door, when he reaches the left doorway. I'll knock you guys up to a 1. And I'm assuming you're right. Yep. Alright, I think this right here is a pretty good selection. Actually, now I'm looking at it, it doesn't really look like it. I'll bump you up to a 1. Okay, does this work for everyone? I'm just saying. Okay. Alright. I am probably going to fail a lot, but we'll try. Okay? I'm just saying. Oh, okay. Click on him. Oh wait, there was the music box for sure. Oh wait, do I have to mute the call? Shoot. Mute the call. Shoot, who's here? Oh, it's just Toy Bonnie, okay. What the heck? Okay, Toy Chica, oh shoot. Am I gonna die? Apparently I didn't die, so thank goodness for that, I guess. There was literally just a balloon sitting right there. Is that part of the trash in the gang? Not sure. What? Okay, 2 a.m. Okay, oh shoot. Helpy. Shoot, somebody's here. Toy Bonnie. Is it Toy Bonnie? It is Toy Bonnie. Shoot. There's so much going on right now. Oh, it is Toy Chica. I was wondering if it was Toy Bonnie. Because I only see Chica once. Shoot. Dude, those stupid ads. Stupid ads. 9%. Shoot. Not very good. Pop him. No! Toy Chica's gonna kill me. No! Yes, actually. Oh wait, am I supposed to enter? Okay. Take this item for your troubles. Did that say fridge? Or frigid? I don't know. Okay, I'll play one more round. Okay, I feel like this selection is still good. What do I press for him? I'll knock him up to a 10 because I didn't think old man was that bad. Wait, I think I remember. Isn't old man consequences C? Is it C? Maybe. Why are you already appearing, Phantom Freddy? Come on. Okay, so we know which cam the music box is on. Get out of here. See? Dude even just told you anyway, okay. Okay. Someone is not here, okay. That was random. Just Toy Chica? Oh shoot! Toy Bonnie was there too. Never mind. Okay, we need to go wind up the music box. And reset the ventilation. Okay, shoot. Oh, why is there so much to do? I am so done for. Res date? Shoot, no. Ooh, it was you, Toy Cheetah. Oh shoot, Phantom BB. Okay, what happens if I don't catch the fish? Does it, like, just keep annoying me? I don't know. I don't think there's a jump scare for Old Man Consequences. Shoot. What the heck was that? And it didn't even kill me. Okay. Is that baby? Here, added baby. We're gonna get the 4 a.m. again. I still can't understand why I can't put on the mask. I could get it. Who's gonna kill me? And of course it's Toy Chica again. You literally said that line last round. What? But anyway, that was Fnaf Ultimate Custom Night for you. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like it, leave down a comment of what you want me to play next, and yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye, and also have a Merry Christmas.